Hey friends, welcome to today's Singapore Market Digest. I'm Wei from the Investing Iguana, and today we're looking at some interesting movements in the Singapore market. Let's kick things off with some exciting news from Keppel Corporation. They've just secured a crucial US license to build a massive subsea cable system that will connect Singapore directly to the United States. This isn't just any cable. We're talking about the Bifrost cable system, a 20,000 kilometer digital highway under the sea that Keppel is developing alongside Edge, Cable Holdings USA, and Telekomunikasi Indonesia International. Keppel's CEO, Loh Chin Hua, seems pretty confident about this project. He expects it to bring in some nice returns for both Keppel and their private fund co-investors once it's up and running in the second half of this year. The market seems to like this news too. Keppel's shares closed at 681 on Friday, jumping up 1.6% or $11. Now let's switch gears to CDL Hospitality Trusts. CDLHT's latest numbers show some challenges they're dealing with. The distribution per stapled security DPS for the second half of 2024 came in at $0.0281, which is down 11.9% compared to the same time last year. What's behind this drop? Well, it's a perfect storm of several factors. They're seeing lower income from their Manchester residential property, getting hit with higher interest costs, and dealing with reduced net property income. Plus, they don't have the benefit of a one-off capital distribution this time around. Despite these headwinds, CDLHT's stapled securities held steady at $865 in Friday's trading. Last but not least, let's look at Capitaland Ascott Trust. Class has reported their numbers for the second half of 2024, and we're seeing a similar trend here. Their DPS dropped 7% to 0.035 bars, compared to 0.038 in the same period last year. Looking at the bigger picture, their full-year DPS for 2024 came in at $0.061, also down 7% from the previous year. For investors keeping track, mark your calendars. Class will be paying out this distribution on February 28th, with the record date set for February 6th. The market's reaction was slightly positive, with their stapled securities ending Friday up 0.6% or 0.005 at $0.78. These results paint an interesting picture of Singapore's market right now. While infrastructure plays like Keppel are finding new growth opportunities in digital connectivity, the hospitality and property sectors are navigating through some choppy waters with higher interest rates and changing market dynamics. The contrast between Keppel's positive momentum and the softer performance of the RE Arts suggests we might be seeing a shift in market preferences toward companies with strong infrastructure and digital economy exposure. This could be a trend worth watching as we move further into 2024. Remember friends, as always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. This is Wei from the Investing Iguana, signing off until our next market update.